moral message. You know, but
in 2023 and 2024, last year, the Lions Club Foundation had collected more than around 1 million, and we have 8 major projects from the ground in Lions Club International Foundation. For humanitarian, the Lions Club did 15 million. Disaster relief is 12 million. Patient is around 8.6 million. Hunger is 3,354,000. That is dollar, huh? For the youth is 3,298,000. For the cancer for the child is 2,100,000. Diabetic is $786,000. And lastly, environment is $228,000. For your information, last year we make $65,455 from our district.
What a heartwarming occasion is to stand before you this evening as we celebrate the 20th induction ceremonies of the Baguio Magnolia Lions Club. 20 taon na po tayo sa serbisyo. To our incoming officers and members, congratulations. You are about to step into roles that demand not only leadership, but also embody the essence of being a lion. Serving selflessly, inspiring others, and lifting up those in need. This is both a privilege and a tremendous responsibility.
Good evening, everyone, and good evening, my dear new members. For the solemnity of this ceremony, may I request everyone to please rise. Do hereby accept membership
by the authority vested in me as District Governor of District 301C. I now accept and confirm your membership in the Baguio Magnolia Lions Club. Congratulations and welcome to the Lions family.
Congratulations, everyone. By the way, we prepared. Let us once again give them a warm of applause.
My dear club officers, it is an honor to induct you, the club officers of Baguio Magnolia Lions Club, and you carry with you the responsibility of leaders. You have been elected and selected in your respective positions because you are believed to have the capacity to serve in the best interest of the club. You are entrusted with the responsibility to lead according to the functions mandated by the Lions Clubs International. Are you now ready to take the role as leaders of the club and build a legacy and make your mark? I solemnly pledge to do everything within my capabilities and power to uphold the trust they have reposed in me and exert every effort to live up to their expectations. I further pledge to serve my club, the Baguio Magnolia Lions Club, the District 301C, and Lions International, and at every opportunity to further the cause and enhance the prestige of Lionism. So help me God. Congratulations, Paul.
Once again, congratulations to our new set of officers. Palakpakan po natin sila. Thank you so much, District Governor Sara Kathleen Making, FDBG Josephine De Leon, and SDBG Ralph Eduardo Yamao.
And I am deeply grateful for the trust and support you have extended to me throughout this journey. Our club has always been a beacon of hope and compassion in our community. Over the past years, I have a lot of memories that are truly priceless. We have continued our mission of service by extending help to those who are most vulnerable, kids battling with cancers, seniors with diabetes, and other illnesses. We have fed the hungry, especially the malnourished, distributed hygiene kits to cancer warriors, and books to those in need, offered relief goods to families facing hardship, and relief goods to fire victims, and any other services or any help we can offer. These initiatives have not only provided material support, but have also offered hope, dignity, and a sense of solidarity to those we serve.
Good evening, everyone. It is with profound gratitude and deep humility that I stand before you tonight as the newly inducted president of Baguio Magnolia Lions Club. I am both honored and delighted by the trust that you have placed in me to lead this team club, and I want to express my heartfelt thanks to each of you. With a special mention to our CP, our charter president, Maiden Flores Carino, for her hard work and determination in chartering Baguio Magnolia Lions Club, with assistance and unwavering steadfast support, guidance, and inspiration from Lion dignitaries, PDG Peter Go, our guardian Lion, PCC Modesto Paking, PDG Evelyn Paking, and to the Baguio City Host Lion, our host club. As I take on this role, I am accurately aware of the incredible legacy of service and leadership that has come before me. Baguio Magnolia Lions Club has always been a beacon of hope and a force for positive change in our communities and around the world. I am inspired by the selfless dedication of our past leaders and remarkable achievements of our members, and I am committed to building upon this strong foundation.
Today marks a momentous occasion. 2 dekada na po kayo. 2 dekada ng serbisyong tapat, pagkakaibigan, and unwavering commitment to the ideals of Lionism. It is both an honor and privilege to be here with you tonight to celebrate 20 years of impactful work in our community. Congratulations, Baguio Magnolia Lions Club. You've built a legacy not just of service, but also of friendship. The bond within the Baguio Magnolia is more than just organizational affiliation. It's a sisterhood fortified by shared goals and values. And thank you, Baguio Magnolia, for responding to our call of increasing our tribe. Thank you for the blooming side of new members. Alam ko po, prinamis ninyo, madadagdagan pa po yan, maaga pa.
Very much, Ma'am Sarah.
Your exemplary leadership and dedication to service inspire us to value the role of commitment to hard work. Thank you for your vision and guidance. September 2024.